Hi, I'm Josh. I'm the reading specialist here at Classroom Secrets. I'd just like to tell you a little bit about the newest offering from Horizon Read. So, in and amongst all these wonderful products, if we type in Horizon Read, then we should get a long list. Obviously, you can filter it by year group. But we get a long list of all the Horizon Read resources that are currently available. You may have noticed last year that it was Christmas Horizon Read. We also have Horizon Read sets that are 5 sessions. You can do them in a week, or you can spread them across 5 weeks. It's up to you. But the newest introduction are Horizon Read events or festivals. So we've got things here like Horizon Read Pancake Day, Horizon Read Remembrance Day. And the reason why these have been created is you kind of always get those moments where someone says, "Oh, have you got anything for this day? Have you got anything for that festival?" And you think, "Well, no, I don't," or "I'd like to, but I don't really have time to sit and make something." So what we've done is we've created these Horizon Read events for you. Now, they aren't long, and they're not supposed to be. They are just those sort of moments in your day where you sit down for 5 minutes, or if you want the kids to come in and quietly get on with some work, or introduce the day even, if it's sort of bonfire night that day, or you're celebrating harvest on that day, and just kind of get kids switched on with a little bit of reading. So you can download straight off by clicking, or you can sort of click through and have a bit of a look. So I've opened up this Key Stage 1 Horizon Read for St. Patrick's Day, and this is what you'll be faced with. You can click through it, age group appropriate font, with a retrieval question, a summary question. These follow a different order. It's not always the same. Sometimes you can get two for a similar type. It's fine. It's just exposure for the children. And as we click through, we can see that each time you are provided with the answers. So there's very little work for you to do apart from to just give it a quick read through. There's different kinds of text used. So this is an information text at the beginning. And then we've got a poem here. They're called sessions, but that's based on the old Horizon Read. It's up to you if you want to do them at different points throughout the day and break it up a little bit. It's quite nice after break times and lunch times. Again, then we've got a picture slide here. Give children a bit of image and a focal point to see what they're looking at. And then finally, we've got a SAT style question and an opportunity for children to consolidate what they've learned. So that's just a little rundown of the offering. We've got Diwali, Rosh Hashanah, Sukkot, just loads coming, bonfire night, road safety, anti-bullying week, basically any possible school-related event or festival or something that you would learn at school, there will be a Horizon Read for. So hopefully that's helpful. Thank you for listening and for just accepting that I don't look at the camera very much when I speak. Thanks very much.